Good afternoon, YouTube folks. Welcome back to another episode of Shop Talk with Brett. And today's episode of Shop Talk with Brett is going to involve a little bit of an unboxing video again. Haven't done one of these for a while. The last unboxing I did, I believe, was that surface cleaner over there. But today, we're going to unbox, and in a future video, we're going to demo it. Right now, I don't really have anything handy to demo it, but today we are going to do an unboxing of this. Feast your eyes. Vevor 3-liter Ultrasonic Cleaner. I've always wanted one of these for the shop, for when I would do carburetors and saw chains or various items, and I believe we found some stuff we're going to try it on. Going to give it its real test here. When the cable company was here installing my internet about a year or so ago, they left a pair of their channel locks next to the house, and I didn't see them till this past summer. Yeah. I'm going to probably have to wire wheel them first, but when we do the demo, I might throw them in there and just see what that'll do. I doubt that it'll take the rust off, because that's pretty rusty, but that isn't the reason that I got this. I wanted this so that I can do carburetors and saw chains and various items of the sort, mainly for carburetors. But anyway, we're going to get into this bad boy here. I'm going to pause temporarily, and I'm going to cut this box open. I'm not going to do it while I'm on camera because I got to hold the camera with one hand and try to cut with the other, and I don't want to cut myself. So stay with us. We're going to undo that tape, and we'll see what we got. Okay, we've got the tape undone. Let's just see what the crate reveals. Yomp. Yomp. Zip. And zip. Okay, first impressions, it's very, very well packed. Definitely well cushioned. Let's lift the styrofoam up out of there very gently, if we can. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yup. Boom. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's see if I can do this. There's the lid. Very well packed. Even has some blue protective tape on it. Let's lay that right there. There is the power cable, which in appearance looks like your standard 3-prong cable like you would hook up to your computer. Same kind of little plug on it. 3-prong, probably about a 16-gauge cord. We have the Vevor manual. Well, oh, wow. Beautiful. You even get the little, they even give you the little T-ball thing here. Nice. For putting the jets in. Nice. You get that. Little piece of plastic. Here is the Vevor instruction manual. We'll be taking a look at that. Yeah, I know I've worked with stuff like that before, but I still believe in reading the books. Here is the basket. Got the little rubber feet. Got the handles. Nice. And here is the cleaner itself. And there's the box. Nothing else in the box. Now get out of here. Okay. There's what we have here. We have a warning sticker down inside of this thing that says, well, the first thing that label says is turn me right side up. Yeah, very broken English. Operation without water damage unit. Yeah. But anyway, let's look at the machine itself here. Let's take the zoom back off. And get the plastic out of the way. That's actually got some weight to it for its size. There, let's look at the front of it here. Vevor Digital Ultrasonic Cleaner. The units must be connected to ground. Do not disassemble the unit except for the authorized serviceman. Do not touch the socket with wet hands to reduce the risk of electrocution. Duh. Do not use this unit when the tank is not to fill the water. Okay, that's broken. Digital Pro Plus. It just says Digital Pro. Anyway, left to right, this is your temperature. That's the set temperature, and that's the actual temperature. This is in Celsius. This is for the heater, and that's your on indicator LED for the heater. Temperature up, temperature down, and that's what turns the heater on and off. On this side, we have a timer in minutes and in seconds. Again, you have the time up and down and on off. And let's take a look at the inside of it here. It's actually got a pretty decent sized little bin for 3 liter. But this is what I want to look at though. Let's put the basket in. And right here, if I can find him, I just had it in my hand 2 seconds ago. Here we go. This one's already been cleaned the old way. Briggs & Stratton carburetor. And it fits down in there perfect. I've got the little T-ball there for the jets. I think this will do quite well. I like that. Let's turn it around and look at the back side. And the back side, you see, has the information. I'll pause so you could take a look there. You've got a little on-off switch here to turn the unit on and off. On, off. There's where your plug goes. On the bottom of it, it's just simply 4 rubber feet. And it actually kind of has a neat texture to it. As far as the actual machine, it's actually, for its size, it's actually got some weight to it. You got the basket with the rubber feet. It just sits on down in there like that. You got the little handles for lifting your parts out of there. And they've got the lid here that has the, they packed it very, very well, I will say that. Let's see if we can get this plastic wrap off of this lid. They did package it very well. We're going to pause and I'll get this thing assembled. And there we go. Like I said, right now I'm not going to do a demo video of this. I want to do it separate because I want to try a couple different things for a demo video. But first impressions out of the box, it's actually better than what I was expecting, the way this is built. I paid around $80 for this on Amazon. This is the Vevor Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner. This is the 3-liter. They make them in different sizes. What I will do, though, for those interested in this product, link will be in the description below where you could purchase this. And but for now, I'm just going to give my overall first impressions just from appearance. This is actually a pretty nice little machine. Now, obviously, this doesn't have a drain on it because this is the smaller 3-liter unit. When you start getting into the 6-liter and up, they have the little pipe that comes out of the side with the ball valve and a hose for draining. But this is not all that bad at all. I just from this first impression, I think this is going to work out pretty good. Do have some things I want to clean, but I don't think I do not think, no, I'm not going to be able to really clean those in it. That's going to be too big. But that's not what this is for. Like I said, that's for carburetors, and I don't work on any really big carburetors here, so this is going to be just perfect. That lid fits on there just nice. Hey, it looks like a little deep fryer. Although I wouldn't advise putting your chicken wings in there. But anyway, so far just appearances, I like it pretty well. It seems like it's nice. We'll know more here when we do our demo videos for this which will be coming up. But meanwhile, there'll be a link in the description for this machine and from Amazon. And if you're interested, you can click that link. And I'm going to say right off the get-go here, this is not a monetary thing. I am not affiliated with Vevor or any product. But for those interested, this will be there. I do not get a commission on this either, as I said. I'm doing this as my own experience. But feel free to like and subscribe. Feel free to comment. If you have any tips that you would like to share about ultrasonic cleaning, your experiences with them, whether it be a 3-liter or whatever it may be, leave them in the description below. Or in the comments. Please keep the comments respectable, of course. But I hope everybody enjoyed this little unboxing video. Shop Talk with Brett here, saying enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Most importantly, put your trust in the Lord. We will talk to you on the next video. Shop Talk with Brett signing out. We'll see you in the demo videos.